GFDC ही फुटबॉल खेळाक प्रोत्साहन दिवपी मुळावी संस्था आसा. ह्या वर्सा ह्या संस्थेक 5 वर्सां पुराय जातात. ही संस्था गोंयभर 38 सुवातेर गिमाळे शिबीर आयोजीत करपाची आसा. आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
This is our fifth year that we are into the functioning of GFDC, and we can definitely say that we have been the pioneer of grassroots football program in Goa. And this grassroots is what is the main ingredient for success of football teams the world over. All this is related to grassroots football development. We never had a grassroots football development program like the one we have, a sustained program in Goa the years over. Goan football up till today was built on raw talent that was really very special and did not come from grassroots stages. But today, in keeping with the standards in the world, grassroots program is something that is very important to bring up the footballing standard. We have 38 centers, grassroots centers. We have 4 pre-academies for boys who have crossed the grassroots age. We have 2 pre-academies for girls that have crossed the grassroots age. And we have 1 residential under 14 academy stationed in Margao.
After grueling 6 months inter-center competition, we are now reaching the finale of Goa Football Development Council's Rising Star League tournament at the grassroots, where the finalists will play under 10 category and boys and under 13 category for boys and girls. This year we have provided them a platform to perform at a very competitive level by inviting FC Goa. Teams from FC Goa's grassroots program also participated in our league, and the skill, the feasibility and the success of our training program is proven by the fact that all teams who have reached the finals are from the grassroots program of GFDC.